These two platforms will make you at least $10 daily if you are serious in it. And by the end of this video, I will share a bonus platform where you can also make money legitimately. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. This video is for educational purpose and not a financial advice. So you can still do your own research. One of these first platforms we'll be talking about is Hifam. Hifam is one of the platforms that you have to go live and in. And one thing I like about Hifam is that you can make money even if you don't want to go live on that particular app. On Hifam, all you need to do is you can just harvest the red packets, that type of red packet. So from there you can also withdraw if you don't want to go live. So for red farm, if you want to become a creator, you have to buy coins so that you can be able to go live. Another thing I will be talking about high farm is that their rate of earning just increased, because high farm earlier, before now, when I started high farm, then it was going very well, but after some days, some things about high farm changed. They started updating. Since they updated their app, some things about it changed, that if you are unable to reach the minimum SP for your room, if you are a superstar, if you are unable to reach the minimum SP every week, they will you will lose the eligible you will lose being eligible for superstar. So that is one of the problem I have about high farm now. But if you are someone that is serious in it, you can still continue doing it and you will still earn very well on it. So the second one we're talking about is bloup. Almost everybody know about bloup. If you don't know about bloup is a particular app that you go live for 2 hours and you get to earn. But before you can begin to earn on bloup, as you can see here, before you can begin to earn on bloup, like, you need to join an agency. So for you to join an agency, all you need to do is, because whenever you enter the platform, immediately you will decide that you just will join with someone's life. Then if you join someone's life, the person will tell you that he or she wants you to become an agency of us or is. So from there they can give you an agency code. From with that agency code, you can be able to join their agency. Like you can see, as you can see, I have joined an agency earlier before now. So these are the two platforms I have shared, and with these two platforms, you can really earn on it. But one of the ways you can earn is by going live, or that of boloup. And even high farming, all you need to do is to go live. When people give to you, you can earn. Boloup is just that you need to go live for 2 hours, and with the gift of people, you can also earn. So the bonus platform I was saying that I will share about is Bittoken. Bittoken is one of the platforms that is making people rich right now. You can see someone made $700 just from Bittoken. That is amazing. Even me, I was not serious about Bittoken, but since I saw this particular person that made this particular amount, I discovered that what will I be wasting my time for? So from now, I'm very serious and active for Bittoken now. So you just join with the link in this particular thing. I will not be able to drop the link in the description or comment section, because I'm having some restriction from YouTube. I believe it will be resumed soon. So if you find any value from this particular video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, this video is for educational purpose, not a get rich quick and not a financial advice. Thank you.